Aquamarine is a variety of beryl, and traditionally March's birthstone, and one of my favorites. But what's the largest cut aquamarine? How big do they get? That honor belongs to the Dom Pedro, and it's gorgeous. Cut into the shape of an obelisk, it is currently 14 inches long and weighs 10,363 carats. But the original crystal was 3 feet long and weighed nearly 225,000 carats. That's 100 pounds. The Dom Pedro is currently housed at the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C. And thanks for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing.